हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम डिप्लॉय करेंगे अपने प्रोजेक्ट को जो कि स्ट्रीमलिट पे है। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्रिएट अ repository. I'll click on new. Okay, let's give them name PPE, personal protective equipment. Okay, create a readme file, license MIT. Okay, create repository. Done. And add files, load file. Okay, so open your PPE here. Just deploy only app, model, requirement.txt. Yes, that's it. And drag and drop here in your GitHub. Okay, it takes some time. Done. Just commit changes and all the files are uploaded successfully. Yes. Okay. Now going to Streamlit web app. I have already deployed this Excel and badminton app. Okay. So create app, deployed on GitHub, PPE. Okay, I think I need to paste this link. This one. Branch, main branch. Main file path name is file name is app.py. Okay, just app.py. This is our URL. Let's change it for PPE. PPE web app. Okay, deploy. It takes some time. Let's give it some time. And yes, now it is running. Let's see what other things are going on in backend. Okay, it is cloning the repository, processing the dependencies, requirement.txt file. Okay, Python 3.12. Actually, I have Python 3.10.11. This one, 3.10.11, but in virtual environment. Okay, this is a cursor.ai. Okay, my dependencies are installing. Done. Okay, let's browse some image. I have this 1.0. Just open it. Okay, model is running here. Okay, results are up here. All right, it is working fine with the image data. Let's try with video. Browse file. Give this. I think this one. Okay, so parallelly अपन इसकी readme file create कर लेते हैं. Let's create a readme file. Okay, build, add it, PPE, home, hash. Okay, add some images of our web app. Okay, I copied it after taking screenshot, then paste it over here in readme file and see our web app. Done. Here is a protective video and it is downloaded in your output file. Okay, and again let's try it with image 1.0, this one, and this is our output. So let's take a screenshot of this, copy and paste. Alright, as it is, we are taking the screenshot of this output, which is detection result. Okay, copy and paste. We can see our output here in readme file. The use column width parameter has been deprecated. Okay, some of the features, please utilize use container underscore width parameter, column width or container width. Okay, these types of error you have to seen a lot. Okay, so this is our where it is. Okay, it is loading. Second image is loading. All right, now it is visible. Right, image, this is our input video, input image. All right, this is our output image. This is for video. Okay. Okay, it is now fully, yes, loaded. So commit change, update readme file, commit changes. So our readme file is created. Oh, let's give some our app link in our readme file. Okay, for easy access. This is our link. Try this web app using below link. All right, so this is our link. Okay, add some br. This is a HTML command, br for break. All right, commit changes. Okay, so now this is our repository on GitHub, and this readme file. Okay, it takes some time for loading the images. 1, 2, and 3 images are uploaded here. Okay, so this is our readme file, and this is our Streamlit web app, which is live now. Just click on that link and this one, and you just try it your own. Yeah, thank you guys.